Big hero! I'll use my magic powers and turn you into a frog! Wake up! Give me the key now! Or
Sasha! Fly, Sasha can't help us.
Sasha's not here, Stella.
Sasha, get the key.
Sasha. Sasha!
What a morning. The sun rising on my empire.
Yeah! Breakfast!
Sasha! Throw me the key! Hey, crab! All right!
I get my claws on you. Breakfast.
Going somewhere?
Break out! Turn out the lights! Where is everybody?
We're up here!
Ah! Turn!
Help!
I gotcha! You
Put me
little...
down! Hit me, you idiot!
Yeah! So you said, oh, like you little pest!
Shark! Oh, the prisoners are escaping!
Go!
Useless! The pair of you! You're not fit for sushi! I sentence you to execution.
What's that?
Shark, chew up that useless crap and eat yourself when you're finished.
Yeah. Well.
No, that won't do. My mistake. Nobody has to execute themselves in a civilized society. You.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Because of your long and loyal service to me, I hereby appoint you Chief Executioner.
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
On the other fin, we could just call it water under the bridge. A great leader is distinguished by his ability to forgive. Shark, I hereby appoint you Offensive Commander.
Attention!
Go and get those three infuriating and bring them to me now.